Ciao, welcome to my channel Learn Italian Language. In this lecture, we will learn the word LUI. LUI is an Italian word. It is used as a pronoun that we use in as a he in Italian, in English. As we know that I, we, they, you, he, she, it are these are the pronoun in English. Same in Italian, we use lei, lui, okay, io, tu, sei, lui, okay. Next is here we will learn the word LUI. LUI mean he. Okay, let's repeat. LUI mean he. Okay, next is LUI. Okay, as we know, we learned in English he is. Okay, same in Italian LUI. LUI mean he, mean is. Okay, is a helping verb. LUI is a pronoun. LUI he is. Okay. Next is LUI a. LUI mean he, a mean have. Okay, we know the verb, helping verb, has, have in Italian, in English, has, have. Same in Italian, a. Okay, LUI a, he has. In place of has, have, we use a. Next is lui vuole. Lui mean he, vuole mean to want. Okay, vuole word come from volere. Volere mean to want. Coniugazione di volere is io voglio, tu vuoi, lei lui vuole. Okay, with lui we use vuole. Vuole mean to want. Lui vuole, he wants. He wants. Next is lui vede. Lui mean he, vede mean to see. Or he saw, or he see. Lui vede, vede word come from vedere. Vedere mean to see. Io vedo, tu vedi, lei lui vede. With lui we use vede. Lui vede, he see. Okay, he saw. Next is lui vive. Vive word come from vivere. Vivere mean to live. Lui vive, he live. Okay, lui vive in Italia. He live in Italy. Okay, he lives. By knowing these verbs, we can make a long sentence. Lui vive a Italia, or in Italia. He lives in Italy. Next is lui voleva. Okay, voleva word come from volere. It's a past sentence verb. It's mean wanted. Lui voleva, he wanted. He wanted. Okay, lui vuole mean it's a present tense. Lui voleva, it's a past sentence. Lui voleva, he wanted. Lui parla. Parla word come from parlare. Parlare mean to speak. Lui parla, he speak. He speaks. Next is lui porta. Porta mean to bring. To bring anything. To bring the money. Lui porta is soldi. Lui porta, he brings. Okay. Next word is lui potrebbe. Potrebbe word come from potere. Potere mean to can. Lui potrebbe, he can. When we say he can do anything, he can do this work, we will use lui potrebbe. Next is lui prende. Prende mean to take. Okay. Lui prende, he take. Next is lui porta. Porta mean to bring, same. He bring. Next is lui prova. Prova in Italian is we say any person try of anything. Lui prova, he tries to do anything. He tries. Okay, lui prova. Next is lui torna. Torna means to come back. Lui torna, he come back. Okay. Next is lui ride. Ride word come from ridere. Ridere means to smile. Lui ride, he smile. Okay. Next is lui rompe. Rompe means to break. Lui rompe, he break. We can say he break the floor. Lui rompe I fiori. Okay, he break the floor. Okay. First we have to learn these words. A mean is, a mean has, vuole wants, vede to see, vive to live, voleva wanted, parla speak, porta bring, potrebbe can, prende take, porta bring, prova tries, torna come back, ride smile. Okay, rompe to break. Okay, let's repeat with the sentence. Lui, he, lui è, he is, lui ha, he has, lui vuole, he wants, lui vede, he see, lui vive, he lives, lui voleva, he wanted, lui parla, he speaks, lui porta, he brings, lui potrebbe, he can, lui prende, he take, lui porta, he bring, lui prova, he tries, lui torna, he come back, lui ride, he smile, lui rompe, he break. Okay, in this lecture, lui is a pronoun and these all verbs are used as a verb. Okay, as in English we have is, rm. These are a. In Italian is a, sono, sei, a. These are all helping verbs. But lui, lei, io, tu sei, tu, noi, voi, siamo. These are all as used as a pronoun. Okay. If you have any question related to this lecture, you can ask in a comment box. And please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Ciao!